Hi there, Freemie friends. Let's get started with assembling your Freemie Next Generation Cup and Pump setup. Go ahead and take the valve base part and place the small duckbill shaped valve onto the valve base. Press the valve down until it is fully seated. Know that the valve can face any direction. Then, take the breast flange and look for the barrier mounting ridge. Place the tongue-shaped barrier onto the ridge and press down until it is fully seated. Take the valve and valve base assembly and cover the barrier that is mounted on the breast flange. Again, press down firmly. These parts should fit together securely. Take the remaining cup part and locate the arrow. Line the arrow up with the round port on the assembled parts and snap it closed. Insert one piece of the tubing into the round port on the assembled cup. Insert the other end of the cup tubing into the Y connector part. The Y connector holds all of the cup tubing. You can cap one side of the Y connector to single pump, like this, or attach both pieces to double pump. The third and last piece of tubing goes right into the pump. And there you have it,